Hello! I finally joined the Yumbox Panino Club. I have been eyeing on this one for a while now. This video is not sponsored. By now, I have used this box already. I am just so late on uploading it. I have seen this from a lot of Lunchbox's channel and they seem very satisfied with the product, so I went ahead and get one for us too. Size-wise, it's perfect for toddlers and school kids and probably adults too. Initial impressions very stable and of good quality materials. They guarantee that it's leak-proof, holds wet foods like yogurt and dip, not water and juices. It has a rounded edges, a child-friendly, easy-to-open latch that is very important that your child can open and close it easily. This has 4 compartments, so it can hold up a total volume of 3.2 cups. That's more than enough food for a school kid. It also comes with different designs and this removable tray. The good thing about Yumbox brand is the tray is interchangeable and replaceable. So this whole box is dishwasher safe. I recommend top rack only. Material is BPA free too. You can also use these silicone muffin cups or forms to separate food from each other. These containers or silicone containers are available actually everywhere at Amazon or some house decor baking shops out there. So this container has one silicone lid that seals all compartments. We will do a shake test in a bit. This box is a standard size lunchbox. I am impressed about their design and that it is well executed. So it is also pretty lightweight, weighs around 500 grams. So now we are going to make the shake test to prove if it's really leak proof. Here I have some yogurt. Remember, wet foods, not water or juices. I haven't shaken a lunchbox this intense ever, so let's see. So far, no leaks on the side, so that's kind of good. And the moment of truth, ta-da! True to its words, it stayed intact in one compartment. With the shake intensity that I did, I'm just amazed. So since I've used this already, I can guarantee you that it's leak proof and it's pretty cool actually. So go get it. Bye!